The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Deepak, Tim, Jeff, Dennis, Becky, good morning. Blessings to y'all. Jacques, good to see you. Fellas, good morning. Good morning. Today is July 19th. Irving, good morning. I want to publicly thank you again for your very thoughtful birthday gift. It means a lot to me. Scott, Gary, guys, good morning. Good morning. There's the 8 o'clock bell. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. Bots, not up much. They're up 321 at this point. I did run them all night from 6 p.m. Eastern. There were no trades as of 10 p.m. when I went to bed. Nothing had traded. Much of the trading was obviously at some point overnight. No, my birthday is August 7th. And Irving is, he came to see me a couple years back, I guess. Spent a week with me. And while I haven't seen him in a few years, he has always been extremely thoughtful. It's 4 years. It's been 4 years, he said. Wow. And I sincerely appreciate his thoughtfulness. In any event, that's your anniversary is August 7th? it's an awesome day. In any event, guys, we're here. Yesterday was a little bit sloppy of a trade. The bots did well. The bots, I guess, closed up yesterday somewhere just north of 1,400. But from a trading standpoint, it was kind of miserable until late in the day when Apple started talking about layoffs and slowdowns in hiring, which sent the markets down. I'm not sure why Apple had that effect, especially since virtually everyone that's reported the forward guidance has been poor. IBM's was actually decent. Don't murder that stock. In any event, we'll see what we can come up with today. Let me quickly read the disclaimer and we'll go over charts. I'll show you what I see. And of course, I have to go look for it again. Bear with me 1 second, guys. There it is. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. So natural gas, which came on at 5 a.m. Nice winning trade here. All three targets hit. Small losing trade here. Just missed first target. And then again, another nice winning trade here on the bot. And then this losing trade here. And there's a bot trade, MES. Gold. Gold had a nice winning trade. Not much. 7 ticks, pulled back into the trail at break even. NASDAQ hasn't done much. NASDAQ had a huge winner. $422 this morning, huge winner. Auto trailed all the way here. Looks like it's setting up for a short. I don't think we have any new ES is within ticks of selling. Also, guys, a number of you folks had indicated you were willing to do a video testimonial for me for the new website. If you got, all right, there's target 1 on the NASDAQ and target 1 on MES. If you folks are still willing to do that, would you kindly do that? If you're not, just send me an email and say, hey, listen, don't wait on me. But I'm trying to get the new website done and up. Morning, Ozzy. Let me take a look. Just adjusted some charts here, fellas. And just missed a small YM short at 215. Yes, a few ticks away from a short, 4 ticks and a short. Anybody have any questions? Okay. We have an ES bot trade as well. I'm looking for something first. Trade the ES as you see fit, guys. And MES. ES gets above 72, we're going to fly. Above 72, this flies. Anybody long ES? Anybody? All right, fellas. Trade them as you see fit. Nice job, Brian. Yeah, if we break out of this hourly cloud here, we're gonna go boogly boog quickly. Come on, ES, let's go. Come on, buddy. NASDAQ needs to get above 19.5, maybe 20. So MES has got target, and you're a handle away from target on order flow. Trade. There's first target. We have first target here too. $72 she goes. What I'm going to do, guys, with this third target is just put it way out. If it gets above 72, the ES breaks out. So if you're trading a third target and you want to manually move it, you can. NASDAQ should now trade 12,030-ish. And this thing is, order flow is one tick from target. One. If you guys want to take it off, it's $12. It actually hit target and didn't fill it. All right, target one is filled on the order flow trade. NASDAQ pushing this pivot. If we hit the high of the day, it's going to rip. It's imperative this candle, this current hourly candle, close above 70. That'll get it out of that hourly cloud, and then we're cleared at 90. All right, second target hit and filled on the ES spot. Second target hit and filled on MES, and now we break out. There we go. Booyah, baby. Booyah. We should be good, fellas. $80 to $90 now. NASDAQ. NASDAQ still has to get above 40. And then we can go 115. Come on, NASDAQ, you can do it. Get above that 40 and NASDAQ rips. Okay, Mark. Nice. We're on the cusp of ES blowing up. NASDAQ too, above 40. Coming into the top of the hour here, fellas. I'll take my breakfast break at 9. Nice job, Keith. I'd like to run this to 85. Me too, Jonathan. Me too. Really like to see this ES break out. All right, guys. It's 9 o'clock. We're kind of at a make or break here for the ES. We could pull back into support at 64.5 area or keep going. So I'm going to go to breakfast. ES trade is on. $400 runner. The MES trade obviously still on, $40. And NASDAQ trade still on, up 540 on the runner. Natural gas did not take a trade. And I have gold on the originals running. Has not taken another trade. Would have to go long to take a trade. So that's it. We have 3 runners. Anybody has any questions, feel free to holler. Thank you, James. Man, I love that too. I love it too. I know a lot of guys won't trade it, but all right. NASDAQ pushing resistance, but damn if we get above 60, 65. Hey, nice job, Todd. Got another funded trader. A little bit slower this month for funded traders, but we all ready, fellas? Uh, 11:30, Tommy. 11:30. Got a $600 runner here, guys, in the ES. Trade it as you see fit. Next level up is 80. Check your time. Make sure you're set for 1800 hour start. Few minutes, guys. Yeah, I've got them on now. My bots are on now. They're well into logs. There's no probability of a quick short and then a flip back up at this point. I never turned off gold or natural gas, but neither took a bot trade. Anybody holding a runner on ES? Anybody? All right, guys. I'm going to try to get 89 for a final target on the order flow trade. Okay. All right, fellas. Okay. NASDAQ's breaking out, fellas. Here it is on the bot. You've got almost $1,000 runner now. Here's ES just ahead of the open. I closed the MES just so I don't have to watch it. All right, I'm flattening the bots. I flattened the trades. Bots are up 726. Nice day. Most of you would have your daily goal in. If you're traded funded accounts, you all have your goal in. You're welcome, man. Good morning, John. You're welcome, Josh. All right, fellas. Five seconds. Here we go. Okay, we're off. There goes NASDAQ. Guys, NASDAQ is going to run into 85. See what happens up here at 85. If it gets there, that may be a place to sell one or sell. Didn't get there. I was looking at this confluence 85. No, didn't get there. Damn it. We got to 81. Shoot. That was close enough for hand grenades. All right, guys. Airbnb. If anybody is interested in calls, Airbnb, 101 calls from here. 101 calls. Airbnb, ABNB, 101 calls. Had to have acted really fast. Watch Roblox, RBLX. If it comes down below 39.45, 39 puts. Airbnb target already hit. I don't know if anybody could have caught that, but target hit. Now it's free. NASDAQ, you've got a small long trade here, 59.60 up to maybe 75, 76 first target. Come on. Don't want shorts, guys. Not yet. I wanted that 81 short or 85 short, but I didn't get there. ES holding this high volume node right there. I'm sorry, NASDAQ holding that high volume node. Come on, NASDAQ, what are you doing? Breakout, let's go. No sellers in this sucker. Got to get back up through. That's natural gas. All right, I'm out of this trade. I'm out. Natural gas just got first target, fellas. On the bot. And second target. First and second targets hit on the bot. Bot's up 1,400. All right, gold on the bot now. You got a gold long here. All right, guys, I'm going to take this ES out. Damn, NASDAQ. I do not, John. There's no. The only other room that I have is a 1 o'clock session, which I'm not running again until September. NASDAQ's up 160. ES up 43. Gold got first target on the bot, fellas. First target hit on the bot on gold. The only other bot trade right now is this. Yeah, we're just kind of trapped here. We're not doing anything. We're holding support on the ES and the NASDAQ. And I think we're going to push higher. They're working off a lot of sellers right now. Man, maybe not. Out on natural gas. Hourly support on the NASDAQ around 20, 1920. Out on gold on the runner as well. Bots at 1396.25. ES having a hard time at 80, which is this next level up here, fellas. Starting to look like yesterday. NASDAQ giving everything back. Not selling off, but they've sold back. We're almost to a flat delta again. 60 contract positive. Yeah, I'm half tempted to buy SPX puts 38.55s. NASDAQ could come down to 200 now. Doesn't want to die. Let's come test VWAP. Come on, buddy. Come on. NASDAQ needs to come down below 15. If we come down below 15, NASDAQ should come and test 90. We're just holding this pivot. Come on, break 15 and go. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Let's come get VWAP. There we go. Come on. ES, I can see us coming back to 65 and probably 60. SPX 38.55 puts are interesting. For today. They're 870 currently. You bought 68.50s? Huh? 38.50s? I don't know what you bought, Peter. I can't, 38.50s. For $46 for when? Today? I have 38.50s at 870. Oh, 640. Okay. That makes perfect sense. I just bought 55s for 820. NASDAQ. Yeah, NASDAQ's coming down, fellas. All right, we got an ES bot trade. If we come below 68, we probably come into VWAP at 62. That's MES got target 1. And out. So we're just jockeying around here. NASDAQ flat. NASDAQ is shorts. You can short NASDAQ, but your stop is, golly, I don't like that stop. Yeah, 33. It's a 30 handle stop, so one contract is $600. But I think we're going to come below VWAP. Going to get some minor support at 80, 85. ES got target 1. ES got target 1 on the bot. Need this to break below 67, 67.50, and the ES will come. My 55s are now 940 from 820. So about 12% up if anybody bought them. This is the break right here. Out. Bot's up 1,600. Held VWAP once on the NASDAQ. I don't think it holds. I do not think it holds. Here's that 15-minute. And there's the ES. That's our break, 67. Got to get below 67 and it gets hit. NASDAQ, we got a small short here. 06. Everything's quiet, guys. ES trying to bid again. SPY, you can buy, I think you can buy SPY calls 387s. We're at 86 now, maybe 87.50s SPYs. We're just floating again. Similar trade to yesterday. YM is bid. NASDAQ, guys, if it falls below that 06, is your short. And it sure looks like it wants to. Call it 05. Below 05 on the NASDAQ. Okay. This should trade down to 92. Let's call it 94, target 1. 94. Come on, NASDAQ. 94 is target 1. Come on, yes, die. $87.5. Here we go. Come on, NASDAQ. 94 is target 1, fellas. 94, just above VWAP. There are no buyers here, guys. $850 negative delta NASDAQ. Wasted 30 minutes, man. I would be long NASDAQ if we can get a pullback to about 85. Got a long on this ES spot, which I'm not crazy about, but I'll let the bot trade. Gold quiet, crude quiet, YMRTY quiet. Should trade to 50. If we can get above 50, we can trade back up to 73. It's pushing through this low volume area. Right here, that notch. ES got target 1 on the bot. That high volume node right there is holding it down. That finger got to cross through that. 54, 55. It's target 2 on ES. All right, this should work now up to 61. And above 61, we could get to 72. And then it's going to get a little thin. There's 72. Value area high now. Tesla doing nothing. ES, if it doesn't fail in here, trades 90 now. Trades 90. All three targets hit here on the ES bot. The bot's up 25, 13, and 75 cents. And it still has a runner on MES at 37 bucks, but no NASDAQ trade there. I've turned off gold. I've turned off natural gas now. Anybody buy those 387.50 SPY calls? We're almost there. Guys, the only bots I have on at this point is the ES and NASDAQ. I've shut off natural gas and gold. Bot is up 25.45. Another day for the bots. Great day. NASDAQ, I'd like to see pull back to 26, 12,026. You short, Mimi? This looks like 90 to close to 900 now. You have more patience than I. All right, guys, here comes our pullback, probably on the NASDAQ to 26. We've got 150 contract positive delta. Hang on 1 second, guys. One second, fellas. All right, guys. Now small negative delta. We sold everything back. This is just complete. Coming to 26 on the NASDAQ. We're coming to 26. Here it comes. Come on. We got 30. We should tag 26, 27. Boom. There's our target. Anybody take that short, guys? You got your trade. Now it's free. Anybody take the short? Okay, Jacques. Free trade now. All right, Gary. NASDAQ is on the cusp. It looks like I'm just getting blasted. ES starting to turn. If the ES can get below 72, it's going to get hit below 72. He thinks they're going to give VWAP a shake on this down move. ES should work back to somewhere between 70 and 72. That break of 70 is big. I'll be right back. A terrific morning. Up 25.45. I shut MES off. I'm not interested in MES anyways. So I have ES and NASDAQ still on. See if we can't get one last trade. I have shut natural gas and gold off. Guys, today is only Tuesday, but as a reminder, this is the last week of the current room link. So if you guys are newer and you've not, paid attention, don't email me next week and say I didn't get an invite to the room. The link will be in the member area Friday or Saturday. So Friday will end this link. I think we're going to break out, guys. ES is trying like hell. It just won't reverse at all. NASDAQ is weaker. Russell has some strength. And YM has some strength. Markets currently, NASDAQ's up 129, ES is up 48, YM's up 350, 355, EMD up 42 points, and Russell up 37. Gold's up 9 ticks. Green across the board except for Tesla's red. Zoom's down 60 cents. Not a fun market. We just held point of control on the NASDAQ and bounced. I suspect once they get Europe loaded up on longs, they may take this down at 10:30. Nord Stream 1 seen starting their. All right, guys. They're waiting for a part to arrive from Canada to restart. You going to break up or down? What do you want to do here, NASDAQ? This thing doesn't have the oomph to go anywhere. ES can't decide if it wants. It got 90. Maybe back to 32 now on the NASDAQ. Jeez, what a mess. Come on, give me 32. All right, ES is pulling back now. There we go. There's 32. One of these trades, we're going to get a break below VWAP. Come on. Nice job, Robert. We have 2 funded traders today. Right to my target, fellas. That's a problem area. Now, if we work through that, we trade 120. So if you're trading multiples, cancel this. If you're trading multiples, try to get it on a runner. I can't get any better than that damn target, fellas. This is a problem. Anybody get that trade? Okay, Gary. 1 guy. 2 guys. Okay. ES traded to my 95. We're going to get 3,900 and then 3,930, fellas. She's breaking out, guys. She's breaking out. She's breaking out. We're pushing this damn trend line again. This is a problem. But we should get that 110 area. Okay, guys. So if I squish this up, we've got to get above. We're pressing value area low down in here. Okay. Once we push up in here, this sucker is free and queer all the way to freaking 180. He's going to 180, guys. There's going to be some bumps along the way. You're going to have a problem at 121. You know, these high volume nodes, but this is going to work up damn near 12,200. Trade them however you see fit at this point, guys. You're free. You're into a runner. Bots have beat it up. If you guys are here on trial, order flow is beating it up. Bots have beaten it up. I'm shutting off the bots. My bots are done for the day. Bots are up 2,500, 45 bucks. Order flow has smashed it. Your target is about 110 on any runners. Unless you want to get uber aggressive and just hang on. If we clear 3,900, you can buy 3,930 calls for tomorrow, 3,950s for tomorrow. They should be good to go. If you guys are unafraid to take a trade, you're making money. If you're scared to death to take trades, you're not making any money, or you're closing them too soon. You're not making money. Is there anybody that's down as of right now? You're welcome, Ozzy. Yeah, but everything else has made money, John. Then you're not trading ES or NASDAQ. Guys in the room, give me some of your bot totals, please. Yeah, listen, never worry about the money that gets left on the table, guys. Up 1730, up 1550. Nice job, guys. 296 guys in the room and up 342. Trading micros, Gary? Never worry about, listen, the best traders on the planet may get 30% of an entire move. Never worry about what you could have done, right? So I got almost, okay, thank you, Joe. Up 1450, up 710. Let's see here. Your bots were down. You didn't reload historical data. When you opened this morning and missed a couple, they also, not sure why, still traded out. Nice. So you were down 800. What are you up now? My bots were down 1,000 at one point. Up 1,000, then back to down 1,000, and now up 2545. Nice. Okay. Gary's up 950. Ed's up 500. Nice job with a runner. Okay, guys. Up 700. Sharon's up 2,900. She's run NASDAQ and ES only since 3 a.m. Well, I would assume the 15 range in the NASDAQ Unirenko. I don't know. Sharon, what bots were you running? The ES and the NASDAQ, which bots? I'm assuming the ES 15 range. And the NASDAQ. Guys, one last time, by the way. Yep, Unarenko on the NASDAQ, same as me, and the 15 range, same as me. Guys, some of you had offered to do a video testimonial for me for the new website. I sent you guys follow-up emails. If you guys are still willing to do that, would you kindly do those today and send them to me? It's been over a week. If you guys have changed your mind or had a change of heart, or you're camera shy, whatever the case may be, I haven't done enough for you guys, whatever it may be, have the common courtesy and decency to respond to my email and say, hey, I'm not going to do it. I would appreciate that so that I can move forward. Three contracts, two off target, one, and then a runner trailing. ES, three contracts, 1, 1, and 1. Same as I'm doing. I got it, John. And I thank you for following through. I thank you. I think there were 7 or 8 that offered to do it, and 2 of you guys have actually done it. Yeah, I'm not interested in earning plays, man. Just not my thing. I can wait a day. Yeah, Sam, I agree. I agree. That's why I don't do them. I mean, ES, I think you can buy 39.30s. That's PX. $39.30s for tomorrow are $7. $7.45. ES is going to get there, guys. I'm telling you, it's going to get there. It's going to get to 39.50, 39.40. Look, here's your hourly. SPX. Here's your hourly. We're clearly in longs going back to 9 o'clock. Clearly in longs, right? As long as we close above this area here, we got a little bit of work to do at 3,900. But we're going to trade 39.45. We got hourly longs, and I just got my first squeeze. That should be good for 8 to 10 hours. We're just pushing this trend line, similar to here. Oh, my 110 got hit. Boom. Boom. If anybody's still holding. This morning, I said SPYs above 85. You could buy 87.50s calls. Nobody bought them, I don't think. 88 and change. NASDAQ, guys, is now moving. NASDAQ is good now to 120. Above that point of control, we're going to move up to 150. 150. We may get a small pullback here into the close of Europe, but we're going up further. SPX 3830s, I like 3930s for tomorrow. No, I mean, there's no point in buying a pullback if you're out. So wait, let's see what you get into 1130. If we get it looks to me like we're going to trade to 3908, right? But I would want to be over, 3,900. You would want to get over 30. Here's the problem. I would probably buy 3903, 3904, but my target is 3930. So if I were going to take a long into the end of the day, or potentially overnight to 3950, I'd probably take it there. I mean, that's where I would take it, not probably. It's there. I don't know that we do that. But but that holds true for the whole day. I think we're going to get the gap fill on SPY, fellas. Yeah, it's going to, I think that if we get over 3,900 and you want to let it clear by a couple of handles, because it's a major level, NASDAQ is going, fellas. I'm out. But if you're holding, NASDAQ, she's a going. Anybody have any questions, guys? 3930 SPX calls for tomorrow. Gold and crude, I have nothing. I mean, even on a small time frame. We're just straight longs. I'd like to see a dang pullback, but good Lord, man. We're going to get a serious squeeze over 3,900, I suspect. Anybody buy 3930 calls? There you go, fellas. I think this is a good trade. So my target one. I'll put it there for now. This should break out, guys. Nice job, Chuck. You bought Qs. Nice job, Robert. This is going to get a serious squeeze. How many contracts you have on it? So you probably want to take some risk off at maybe 6, 7. You're trading a funded account, so money in the bank is money in the bank. You don't have the luxury of draw. So maybe 6. That'll give you 4 handles. You're in at 2. Top of the hour coming. NASDAQ's blowing up. Next target is 150 on the NASDAQ, give or take 150. Looks like we're going to trade into yesterday's high in the NASDAQ at 186 anyways. And the next 15-minute bar here is in 6 minutes. So that goes blue. Look at this NASDAQ tearing it up. Just tearing it up. No, way too late. You don't want to get long NASDAQ now. Way too late. Just being greedy. Yeah, trader's worst enemy, greed. There's nothing in the way here as I see it on the ES to 30, fellas. I would expect 95 now to be support. You're welcome, Koppel. SPY is headed to 392. I'd wait for a pullback. Top of the hour coming, guys. If anybody has any questions, holler. I want to see 95 hold. That's kind of that would be, it doesn't change anything. We've gone through 3,900. 3,930 is the next step up. All right, fellas, one last time for the video. Bots closed up 25.45. 25.45. Any questions, guys? Account and you're trading, at least 2 contracts, you probably want to take one contract off somewhere around 6, I would think. And you can be aggressive and go for 7. Your prerogative. And then leave one because your next target is 39.30 and that's where she's going. I'm telling you it is. SPX 39.30 or 39.50 calls for tomorrow. Okay, so here comes, there's 6 target. If you took 6, Ed, or you can be a little more aggressive and get 7. But your prerogative, you're still in, right, Ed? 02? Ed? There's 07. Okay. So you probably want to take a little bit of risk off somewhere in through here if you haven't already done so. And hold one. Just hold it. Anybody else long, fellas? Again, I don't, when you say stop suggestions, John, I don't know if you're trading your account, you're trading a funded account, but if you're trading a funded account, again, you guys are limited to what you can use for stocks, right? Nice job, Brian, up 645. Nice job. I mean, I would probably, for me, I don't want to see this below 38.95. And if we get up through 10, we are going bad mamma jamma. We're going to 30, guys. I'm telling you, we're going to 30. Give or take. You know, this is where, some of you guys probably have to, maybe put your stop in and walk the hell away from your computer, because you guys will see it go to 10 or 12 and pull back 4 points and close it. And then you'll kill yourself on the rest of the trade. But if you guys want money, take your money. It is what it is. It made money, another $500,000. Nothing wrong with that. It's your prerogative. We're struggling here, obviously, at this 8, 9 level, but there's really nothing above it. We get above that 12 area where that first target is, which is 2 standard deviations, she's gone. I'm telling you, she's gone like a 57 Chevy. Gone. Just need one more candle and it'll pop right to 10, 11, 12. One more. All right, fellas, I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to leave you with this. Be blessed. Trials and members alike, I will see you all tomorrow at 8 a.m. If anybody has any